Welcome back to infyGyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have another very interesting question from Algebra. Here we have to evaluate expression x plus 2 whole power 5 over 16 plus 2 over x plus 2 whole power 5 if x minus 8 whole square is 98. So let's get started by considering expression equal to e. Now we have x plus 2 in the denominator. So our denominator cannot be 0. So x can't be minus 2. Now I will assume x plus 2 equal to y. If x is not equal to minus 2, y cannot be equal to 0. From this equation, I can write x is equal to y minus 2. Now we can write our expression also in terms of y. So y power 5 over 16 plus 2 over y power 5. We have to evaluate. Now as per our equation, x equal to y minus 2, which we are going to apply over here. So we will get y minus 2 minus 8 whole square equal to 98. Or we can write y minus 10 whole square equal to 98. Let's apply a minus b whole square formula here. So we can write y square minus 20y plus 100 equal to 98. Now I will subtract or take 98 to the LHS. So I can write y square minus 20y plus 2 equal to 0. Now y is not equal to 0. So I can divide this equation by y both sides. So I can write y minus 20 plus 2 over y equal to 0. Or we can write y plus 2 over y equal to 20. And our required expression is y power 5 over 16 plus 2 over y power 5. So I can write y plus 2 over y equal to 20. Now I will assume y as a and 2 over y we will consider b. So the very first equation which we can write a plus b equal to 20. And if I will multiply both y times 2 over y, so I can write a times b will be 2. Now let us write our equation 1 and consider squaring both sides. So we can use algebraic identity a plus b whole square as a square plus b square plus 2 times ab equal to 20 square 400. Now I can write a square plus b square plus 2 times 2 because ab is 2. 400 a square plus b square plus 4 equal to 400. A square plus b square equal to 400 minus 4. So 396, and this is our equation number 3. Now I will cubing of equation 1. So we will consider power 3. Now we can use a plus b whole cube identity. We can write a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b equal to 20 cube will be 8 times 1000, so 8000. Now a times b is 2, equation number 2. A plus b is 20, equation number 1. So I can write a cube plus b cube plus 3 times 2 times 20 equal to 8000. Or a cube plus b cube plus 6 times 20, 120 equal to 8000. Now take away 120 from both sides. We will get a cube plus b cube equal to 8000 minus 120, 7880. Let's say this is our equation 4. Now I will multiply equation 3 with equation 4. So I can write a square plus b square times a cube plus b cube equal to 396 times 7880. Now I will multiply. So we will get, let me multiply here, a square plus b square times a cube plus b cube equal to 396 times 7880. Let's multiply a power 5 plus b power 5. Cross product will give us a square b cube plus b square a cube. So a square b square is common in the bracket a plus b. And right hand side will be getting very big number 3120480. Now we will write here this is 2 square and this is 20. So I can write a power 5 plus b power 5 plus 4 times 20 equal to 3120480. So a power 5 plus b power 5 will be equal to 3120480 minus 80. So I can write 3120400. This will be the value of a power 5 plus b power 5. Now a was our substitution. This was y. So I will write y power 5. B was 2 over y. So whole power is 5. So I will write 32 over y power 5 equal to 3120400. Now our required expression is here in terms of y. If I will write, then it will be y power 5 over 16 plus 2 over y power 5. So it is not matching. I will divide both sides by 16. This side also with 16. Now this will match with our required expression. I will write y power 5 over 16 plus 32 over, I will write here y power 5 times 16 equal to 3120400 over 16. So I can write y power 5 over 16 plus 2 over y power 5 equal to, this division will become 195,025 and LHS is our required expression. So our final answer becomes 195,025. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Take care of yourself.